Welcome back to Easy Way channel, where we dive deep into the best gaming tips and tricks to make your digital life a breeze. Today, we've got a game changer for all you Steam users out there. We're talking about adding not 1, not 10, but all the free games on Steam to your library. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around, because this is going to be epic. First up, let's talk about SteamDB. For those who might not know, SteamDB is a powerful tool that gives you insights, stats, and a whole lot more about everything on Steam. And yes, it's going to be our secret weapon today. How to access it? Very simple. First up, you need to open your web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, as long as you've got internet access, you're good to go. I will use Firefox. In the search bar, type in steamdb.info and hit enter. Select the first link from search results, and this will take you directly to the homepage of SteamDB. It's the gateway to a treasure trove of data about games, sales, and much more on Steam. Now in top right corner of this page, select Sign In. Here, select Sign In through Steam. This will redirect you to Steam page, and you need to log in with your Steam username and password. You don't have to worry about security of SteamDB site. It is completely safe to log into SteamDB, because they use Steam's official OpenID provider, basically a safe way to authenticate your Steam ID. The only information they receive this way is your public Steam ID, not your username or password. After you connected your Steam account to SteamDB, and on the SteamDB site, take a moment to explore. You'll see a lot of information right off the bat, including current sales, popular games, and recent updates. It's a lot, but don't worry, we'll guide you through the parts that matter most for grabbing those free games. For example, if I select top-rated games, I can see top-rated games on Steam. I can also apply filters, like this year, all time, and so on. Top-selling games. Apply filters you wish. But you get what this info is all about. Interested in finding the best deals or those elusive free games? Click on the Sales tab. Here, you can filter results to show only free items by adjusting the discount slider to 95%, and then select Reload Page with new filters. This section is updated in real time, so keep an eye on it for the best deals. You can click on Calculator up here. Select currency you prefer, and then go to Steam Launcher. Click on your username, and then click on this URL to copy it. That is your profile URL. Now go back here and paste it to this bar. Click on Get Disappointed in Your Life, and you will have all kind of info about your account. How much is your account worth? Average playtime, games played, and so on. Alright, now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of adding the SteamDB extension to your browser. This will unlock the ability to add all those free Steam games to your library with ease. Follow these steps and you'll be set up in no time. Click on Menu, and select Browser Extension. Once you click on that link, you'll be directed to the extensions page. Here, you'll see a detailed overview of what the extension offers, like real-time stats, pricing history, and more. It's pretty neat. Now, look for the Add to Chrome button, or Add to Firefox, depending on your browser. Click on it, then select Add to Firefox. Up here, click on Add. A pop-up will appear asking for permissions. Don't worry, it's all standard stuff. It needs access to view and manage your Steam data on steamdb.info. Go ahead and click Grant Permissions. You'll know it's successfully installed when you see the SteamDB icon appear in your browser's extension area. It's usually at the top right corner. Give it a click. If it asks you to sign in with your Steam account, do that. This is how it syncs up and gets ready to do its magic. To ensure everything's working as it should, head over to any Steam game page. Notice anything different? You should see additional stats and information courtesy of SteamDB. That means you're all set. With the extension installed, it's time for the magic. When you are on SteamDB website and logged in with your Steam account, click up here in address bar. Delete all after steamdb.info, and then add /. Write free packages, and press enter. Bam! You're now looking at every single free game available on Steam. I am not sure, but as I heard, there are more than 17,000 free games on Steam. If you want to add all these free games to your Steam account, click here on Activate these packages now. Clicking this will start adding batches of 50 free games per hour directly to your Steam library. It's that simple. But remember, SteamDB does this in waves to manage the load, so give it some time. This list contains all free games, but also demo games. To filter only free games, click here to hide all demo games. If you are signed in, you can click here, and it will show you only content for the games you own, like DLCs. And there you have it. Your Steam library is now overflowing with games waiting for your attention. All thanks to a few clicks and SteamDB. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome content. Got questions or other cool Steam tips? Drop them in the comments below. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can hit that thanks button. Until next time, stay safe, happy gaming, and I see you all.